Good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. Today, I'm going to be unboxing two different hardware wallets from the same manufacturer, both the Ledger Nano S and the Ledger Nano X. Now, these are two different hardware wallets that basically do the same general thing, but slightly different ways. If you're interested in buying either one of these products, there's a link in the description below, and also I will have it pinned to the comment section as well. If you support that, follow that link and purchase through any of these devices from those links, you'll be helping support this channel, which is directly trying to end banker enslavement of the world through their fiat monetary system, and collapse the whole thing to the ground, basically, so that we are no longer slaves, right, to the super wealthy who get the money for free and they get to print it out. But anyways, moving on to my unboxing video. Okay, so we have the boxes here along with my fat stomach, so don't mind me. I'm going to move this keyboard out of the way, and we're going to open up these puppies and see what's inside. Alright, so first I'm going to get my handy box cutter, and we're going to start with the S here and open that up. So I'm going to move this to the side here. Right there, and yeah, so we're gonna open this baby up. Alrighty, so put that away. Right, alrighty, so what do we got here? Toss this in the garbage. Alright, so we have looks like I have the clear model of the Ledger Nano S, right? There's many different colors. This is normally black, but I like this clear. I bought this clear one, and because I like seeing components inside of the machine, the device, and yeah, I like it. There's a little bit of a swivel item here, right? It says here something in Latin, Veris in numerous. I have to look that up. I don't even know what that means, but I will look that up and find out. Now, yeah, so also we have, let's see, a cable here for plugging it in. This cable basically is to, I have other Ledger Nano S's, and I actually have a lot of money on Ledger and Nano S's. I have many of them. Yeah, so basically you plug this in to the back here, and then, oops, there we go. Plug it into your computer, and then you follow. I think you have to. I do believe you download some software. Yes, I do. I remember doing this. You download some software. You have this Ledger software. Let's see here. Let me look it up here. It is called Ledger something. I'm gonna need my keyboard back. Oh, Ledger Live. That's it. Ledger Live. And then you download the Ledger Live. You set it up through the Ledger Live, and away you go. So. I found that this is, you know what, all these, I'll be honest here, all these different hardware wallets, they're very cumbersome, but they're way better than having an application store your wallet, your private, your cold storage bitcoins and or altcoins like Ethereum. This will do Ethereum and other altcoins as well. You notice you get a key ring here as well in this thing to attach it to the to you can attach it and then have, like, for example, I think this is the way it goes. Let's see here. There we go. And away we go. Guess we need to take this piece off there, but something like that. I think it would have been better if they had like a clip here. This is not that great. I don't think, but yeah, I think you need to take this piece off here. But yeah, that piece right there, you need to take that off. But that's how it goes. This is how generally it goes. So yeah, this is the Ledger Nano S, and let's move on to the other one, the Nano X, right? Alrighty, I'm gonna move this over here. Right, I'm gonna open this and see what's inside. Move these over to the side now. Alright. So this is in the garbage. Right, and whoa. Oof. This thing's a lot heavier than the Nano S. And feels a lot beefier. Oh, look at that. USB-C. That's nice. I like that. This is the first time I've ever opened one of these things. I'm gonna play with it today as well. Look, there's a little cell phone thing to take off to see the screen, I guess. And I wonder, ooh, look at that! You hit the power, you hit the button, and it turns on. So there's a miniature battery in this one. I believe this one is so that you can be on the go. And if you have like I think this is perfect if you have an Android phone, because an Android phone is susceptible to hacks, and so if you have your Bitcoins on there, your daily Bitcoins on there, and you have a lot of Bitcoins, right, like 2 or 3, yeah, this would probably be a better choice. I believe that's how it works. It's because I read that it's got Bluetooth and stuff like that. So it probably connects through Bluetooth. It says, welcome to a Ledger Nano X. Press the right button to continue. Oh, there's another button right here. Actually, right here, this is another button. Look at that. I did not see that. Okay, this is cool. Very hefty. I like this design. Let's see what else is in this box. A hello greeting card. There's a recovery sheet. Oh, this is where you put your 12 words. Seeds. I think that's also in the other box as well. I should have shown that off. And yeah, some Ledger stickers, right? To stick on your computer, right? So let me stick one on right now. Right here. Blap. Ah, yeah. Oh, yeah. This thing's banging a Ledger. There we go. And yeah, some getting started guide and so forth. What else do we have in the box? Oh, look at that. Yep, a cable to, I guess, to charge this thing, because obviously it needs to be charged. And what else? Oh, yes, a key ring. So I guess, oh, look at that. There's a lot better key ring. There's a key ring hole right there that you can connect this to. I would feel that it would be better to attach this with a knob here would be better than to do it through the hole, but that's the way they done it, and yeah, that's the way you have to live with it. So yeah, other than that, yeah, I like what I see here. I'm looking forward to play with it and doing a complete review of this particular product. I'm not going to do a complete review right now, just doing an unboxing video of these two items, and yeah. So that's it for this unboxing so far. So I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of these two fabulous products, both the Ledger Nano S and the Ledger Nano X. I also looked up the what is Veris and Numerous. It means strength in numbers. So yeah, that's so true. Both in the sense of numbers of people joining this revolution, and the numbers behind Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. So yeah, very good inscription on each of these ledger devices. They both had that description. Now, in the future, I will be doing a full review of these two devices, the hardware wallets, and also other hardware wallets as well. I'm going to be doing a complete review with all the hardware wallets all together, along with a lot more unboxing. So we're going to do a bunch of unboxings first. Then we're going to do a review of all the hardware wallets that I have unboxed, and I will give you my opinion on all of them all at once. So look forward to that, and I hope you enjoyed this video.